get wind coming in on our starboard quarter.
We gotta jump over there, huh?
So touch speed.
Yeah, gotta come.
Sorry, my mistake.
Same thing, is it?
Prepare for some pressure.
Yeah,
Nice
ready.
dust coming here.
Fishing boat coming in. Get ready, guys.
That's pressure.
Comfortable.
It's beautiful. It's a dinghy-like performance. It accelerates well. It gives you a lot of feedback. But then you have the 40-foot boat that gives it that nice sailing. So it's a very nice combination.
Fucking A.
Nice.
Unbelievable. Look at the top of that mast, guys. Jeez. Woo.
A little bit of that.
This is reactive. You have to learn pretty fucking quick on this, otherwise you're
Yeah,
screwed.
but it teaches you.
It's a very good.
Yeah, the pressure's dropping a
Bring
lot.
it in. Yeah, thank you.
You're too fat, Sam. Work harder.
I'm easing a little bit. Holding on. Yeah. Cool. Yeah. Brilliant.
Oh, looks like more pressure over here.
Oh, now you're flying.
Brilliant!
See the lovely bow wave on the VC. Oh, it's good. Oh, that's so beautiful.
Gotta sheet in a little more. Okay, the next low, I'll help you sheet in, okay?
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah, ready?
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, got it.
Okay.
Woohoo!
8.6.